Alright, I'm turning the oven on. That's my heat source. Just use a blow dryer. And over here is the box. So let's put the soundboard in the oven. Alright, there it goes. Alright, so I'm cleaning up the rim on the Christmas Sun's upright and found one problem. The cutoff bar wasn't even glued anymore. Isn't that amazing? Amazing what you find when you tear these things apart. So I'll have to reattach that. That's definitely a tone killer. After finding the other one not attached, I thought I'd look at the other one, this one. And so I looked it up on it, and that one also not attached on one end there, so I'll have to stick some glue in there and a couple dowels and attach that one as well. Alright, so got the rim glued in. I just used some dowels also to help secure it, make it stronger than it was before. And then I sanded the rim. Alright, so here's my little sheet, and tells me the dimensions. I re-engineered the scale on the computer, and so now I'm going to make the ribs. Alright, got the ribs all laid in there. Alright, I got my markers in place and the bridge temporarily sit in there so that I can calculate the feathering of the scallops and mark the bridge location on the ribs. Alright, thanks for watching.